Hello crafties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making DIY memo pads, and I have cut these A4 printing papers into size 7.5 into 7.5 centimeter square, and now I'm using watercolors to color it. You can use watercolor, acrylics, pencil, sketch pens, brush pen, anything you like. And so I have colored the background into dark blue color, and now I'm making some stems to make the flowers. You can use sketch pens also to draw these, whatever you are comfortable with. So here I'm using pink color to make the roses, and I'll add some white to it like this at the top of the pink after it dries. And now making leaves with green. You can simply use sketch pens to draw these. And now using some white to make a moon. And sprinkle some to make the stars. Here's done the first one, and for the second one we are making a sunset. So for the sea I'm using blue color, and then the sky will be purple, and making some clouds with a pink color. And here's the sun, and I'm using some white acrylic paint or watercolor to make the waves in the sea like this, here and there. So second one done, and for the third one we are making clouds like this. This one is purple color, and the clouds I'm making is pink color like this, and adding some white to it, and sprinkle some of that with water to make the stars. And for the fourth one again I'm making a sunset theme with orange and blue color. So here's the sun, and added some orange color in the sea also, and now I'm making the waves. So here's all done, and same way I have made 8 pieces of each of them, and now I'm assembling them like this. You simply need to use glue, no glue gun or some heavy glue is needed. Simply put glue and assemble it all together and let it dry. It will be stuck together. So here's all done. You can see how pretty they are, and I really had fun making these. So colorful and beautiful all of them are. So I hope you enjoyed the video.